Hello you guys, thank you so much for clicking into this video. In case it is your first time to be here, please consider subscribing to this channel because we have good things going on here. So yeah, I know you have clicked this video because you want to hear more about the security jobs and cleaners jobs, and yes, I'll be telling you that right now after you subscribe if you've not yet, and if you've subscribed, please consider liking the video, also showing me some love, support your girl. And yeah, so there's one thing that have made me come talk about these security jobs and cleaners jobs. Many of you keep texting me, like sending me direct messages asking me what is a security job a good job, is a cleaners job a good job. I will tell you this and tell you again: do not be selective. If you know this is the job that is here and can get you here, and it is the available job, take it. When you get here, and then you can change to the job that you want. For example, when I came here for the first time, I came here as a cleaner. Remember, I had completed my diploma. I was like a graduate, and then I just came here as a cleaner. I did not inform everybody that I was coming here as a cleaner because, of course, like everybody will think, they will think that I'm wasting my education, I'm wasting all that I have gone through, the school fees and all that. But I really thank God that I did not choose to be until I get the job that I want, because now right now 4 years down the line, I'm in a different place. So yeah, I want to encourage you guys, if you get a cleaner's job or a security jobs, do not feel like it's hard for you. Nothing is impossible. So what happens for the security jobs, to start with, when you get here, you don't have I know most of us have mentality that it is a job that you have to, you're coming to fight, you have to be, it's insecure, you are dealing with hard things at night when people are sleeping. But I'll tell you that Gulf is a very peaceful country. So when you come here, don't feel like it will be out of place. Don't feel like you'll be having difficulties in catching up and adjusting. It is something very easy, something very manageable. Qatar is a peaceful country. Dubai is a peaceful country. If you get a security job, it does not mean that you're coming here, to fight the thugs at night. No. Basically, what security jobs do, what security personnel do, or security guards do here is they come in a building and they're just there to guide people, to tell, maybe you got into a mall and you don't know where to start from, you don't know the entrance, the exit. Those are the people you'll find there at the entrance. They will tell you how to do it. If you get to a hospital, everywhere, the security jobs are the security guards are everywhere, and their main job is to guide people, tell you, do this, get here, pass by here, to guard the place, not like it's a very hard thing. Do not be afraid that you'll come here and you'll be sleeping at night, like the way we know, the watchmen at home, we call them watchmen, people who maybe will go to the industries and sleep there to guard the industry. Different examples. But yeah, do not feel like it is a difficult thing to do. Do not feel like it is something that you cannot manage. Come here if you get it, and it is the one available. Come here, and the good thing is that when you get here with the security job, you will get you have up to 6 months. You can change a job of your choice. You get the job that you wanted. But I always advise people, even though there is this thing of you can change a job at any time that you want, even at 2 months, please, whatever is going on in your company, in your current company, or maybe you came here and you don't want that job, please be patient, at least for an year. You know why I'm saying for an year? At least when you're going to apply for another job with a different company, they will consider you. But just tell me, you can, when you're going to apply a job in another company, they can see your ID because you're under a residence ID here in Qatar, and they will see you just came 3 months ago. What will they think as an employer? What will you think? This person just came to Qatar 2 months ago, and he or she has already changed the job. So why would I take him? He will come to my company and he will do the same. So that's why I always encourage people, if you're going through shit, if you're going through something in your company and you really want to change the job, please be patient and change the job after maybe 1 year. After you just get that good recommendation. After 2 years of your contract, you can change the job too. So the other job is about cleaners. There's also a mentality that people has of cleaning job. Like for example, when I was coming, I remember there's a lady who told me, who was previously in Qatar, and she was back then in Kenya, and told me, cleaners job, you're going with cleaners job. Cleaners job, you'll be going to sweep the roads, you'll always be washing the roads. And she really gave me a very bad mentality. But even though she said that, I don't know, God was with me, and I never like looked at it that way. I said, let me just get there and do this thing. And also I was always aspiring to be out here in Gulf, to be in Qatar, to be in Dubai. I wanted to be here in the Middle East. And when I came here, you guys, do not ever give up. When I came here, I did not even finish my 1 year as a cleaner. I got promoted and became a supervisor of housekeeping. And why was I chosen? Because the chances came, and I had done housekeeping at work, because I did hospitality management in diploma. I did hospitality management, something of that sort, and there was housekeeping in it. And when I went for the interviews, and the things that they're asking me, you have to believe in yourself. I had never become a supervisor before. This was my first job when I landed here in Qatar. People are really looking at me. This was the first job when I landed here in Qatar, but I had, I was strong. I believed in myself. I went and faced the clients, the Qataris, and I became the supervisor. So that's why I'm saying, do not have that bad mentality. Me as a cleaner, I used to clean the toilets, of course, and the offices. Some of them will clean, the park areas. It will depend on where you have been put. But I'm telling you guys, it is something manageable. I was there. I cannot mislead you guys. The only thing that I feel bad is when people ask me for jobs, and when I guide you and tell you to go and get a cleaner's job because it's available, you just start being choosy. You just send me a whole thing telling me that I'm an engineer, I have done this and that, I'm a doctor, I have done this and that, I want a doctor's job. Seriously, as much as I would really want to help, there is that thing that you have in your mentality that you don't want to start low. We all start from somewhere. As long as the money is good, you start from somewhere. And as long as that opportunity is there right now, get to the place and then you can change to the job of your choice. I am telling you guys, I cannot mislead you. When you get here, you can change to the job that you want. So don't let anybody start telling you that cleaner's job is this, cleaner's job is that, security job is this, security job is that. And even the people who come here as house girls, ladies who come here as house helps, they come here, they get their money in 2 years, and when they go back to Kenya or they go back to their countries, they'll come back with better jobs. So who are you? If a house girl or if a house help is taking the risk of coming and making her life better by living in somebody's house, you don't know how your madam will be, you don't know how the family will be, but you're taking that risk. Who are you as a cleaner who has freedom, who will go out at any time you want? Who are you as a security who you can go out like anytime you want? The only people who are not allowed to move here and there, and not all, some of them are the house helps. They are required to be in the house all the time. Even though they're given offs, they're told to rest inside the home. But I'm not saying it's all of them. Don't come telling me to the comment section that I lied. No, I just said some of them. So who are you if you have like a professional job, like a housekeeping job, like a security job, that you cannot come and pass time? No, you cannot come and try things out, try to adjust and make things happen, make life better than it was. So yeah, I really hope that also this message has gotten to all of you, the mentality that you have had. If there is anything that you want to ask me about jobs in Qatar, immigrating to Qatar, please consider reaching out to me. We have a join button down there which we have introduced, and this join button means that you can become a member of the family. You will be the first one to be notified when you upload. You'll be the first one to be notified when there is a special announcement, when you want to interact with me directly, when you want my contacts. You will join those levels, and we keep interacting. I'm always here to help you guys. I'm always here to answer your questions as much as I can. If needed be, I'll do research for you, because I don't want you guys to mess up things. I really want you guys to get here with me. I have been here and I love this place, and I would want you guys, if you have always wanted to be here, to get here. I want to end this video here, and if you have reached this far and you have not liked the video, kindly like down below, also subscribe and comment on the section below. So until the next one, bye bye.